We are discussing questions for AI 900 Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. To get the complete list of questions and answers, click on the playlist link provided in the description. Our next question is, you are authoring a language understanding application to support a music festival. You want users to be able to ask questions about scheduled shows such as which act is playing on the main stage. The question which act is playing on the main stage is an example of which type of element. Option A, an intent. Option B, an utterance. Option C, a domain. Option D, an entity. The correct answer is option B. And next one, you built an QA maker bot by using a frequently asked question page. You need to add professional greetings and other responses to make a bot more user friendly. What should you do? Option A, increase the confidence threshold of responses. Option B, enable active learning. Option C, create multi-turn questions. Option D, add chit chat. The correct answer is option D. And next question. You need to develop a chatbot for a website. The chatbot must answer users questions based on the information on the following documents. Option A, product troubleshooting guide in a Microsoft Word document, a frequently asked question list on the web page. Which service should you use to process the documents? Option A, Azure bot service. Option B, language understanding. Option C, text analytics. Option D, Q&A maker. The correct answer is option D. Our next question is, you are building a language understanding model for an e-commerce business. You need to ensure that the model detect when utterances are outside the intended scope of the model. What should you do? Option A, test the model by using new utterances. Option B, add utterances to a non-intent. Option C, create a pre-built task entity. Option D, create a new model. The correct answer is option B. Our next question is, which two scenarios are example of conversational AI workload? Option A, telephone answering service that has a pre-recorder message. Option B, a chatbot that provides users with the ability to find answers on a website by themselves. Option C, telephone voice menus to reduce the load on human resources. Option D, a service that creates frequently asked questions documents by crawling public websites. The correct option are B and C. The next one, you need to provide content for a business chatbot that will help answer simple user queries. What are the three ways to create question and answer text by using Q&A maker? Option A, generate the questions and answers from an existing web page. Option B, use automated machine learning to train a model based on the file that contains the questions. Option C, manually enter the questions and answers. Option D, connect the bot to the Cortana channel and ask questions by using Cortana. Option E, import chit chat content from a predefined data source. The correct answer are option A, C and E. Next one. You have a frequently asked question PDF file. You need to create a conversational support system based on a FAQ. Which service should you use? Option A, Q&A maker. Option B, text analytics. Option C, computer vision. Option D, language understanding. The correct answer is option A. Our next question. You need to reduce the load on telephone operators by implementing a chatbot to answer simple questions with predefined answers. Which two AI service should you use to achieve the goal? Option A, Test Analytics. Option B, Q&A Maker. Option C, Azure Bot Service. Option D, Translator Text. The correct answer is option B and C, that is Q&A Maker and Azure Bot Service. The next one. Which two scenarios are example of conversational AI workload? Option A smart device in the home that responds to questions such as what will the weather be like today? Option B, a website that uses a knowledge base to interactively respond to users' questions. Option C, assembly line machinery that autonomously inserts headlamps into cars. Option D, monitoring the temperature of machinery to turn on a fan when the temperature reaches a specific threshold. The correct answer are option A and B.